There are few metal sheddings as you can see. हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज चिंचन। वेलकम बैक टू मोटा हेड। आज के वीडियो में हम लोग TVS RTX 300 का पहला इंजन ऑयल चेंज करने वाले हैं। 1000 किलोमीटर्स हमने चला लिया है एंड पहला इंजन ऑयल चेंज का टाइम भी आ गया है। यू माइट आस्क कि आप ये सर्विस सेंटर में क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो। उसका एक स्पेसिफिक रीज़न है। इनफैक्ट मैं दूसरा वीडियो में डिटेल में आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूंगा, बट फिलहाल आज का वीडियो में सिर्फ फोकस करते हैं कि इंजन ऑयल चेंज आप अपने घर पे कैसे कर सकते हो TVS RTX 300 का। उसके लिए क्या क्या चीज़ें चाहिए वो तो यहाँ पर डिस्प्ले में आप लोगों को देखने को मिल ही रहा है। बाकी हर एक स्टेप में क्या क्या लगने वाला है वो मैं आप लोगों को बता दूंगा। सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू, लेट्स गेट द वीडियो स्टार्टेड। So the very first step would be removing this bash plate, because before draining the engine oil we need to warm up the engine for around 5 to 10 minutes, and once you warm up the engine then it will be really hot to touch. So while opening the bash plate after warming up the engine you might get hurt. So that is the reason why the very first step in my opinion should be removing the bash plate, and that's what we are doing. So you need this number 5 Elenki range, whatever you call it. So let's just remove. You might think that you need a paddock stand, but honestly you don't need a paddock stand. That is not mandatory. You just need a flat surface. Okay, so here you have 2 screws, and in the underbelly you have 4 different screws. So we need to. And after removing the bash plate, it's time to warm up the engine. And there are 4 screws, 2 at the front, 2 at the bottom, with the washers. Do not lose the washers. Okay, that is very important. You keep the bash plate side. It's a very lightweight bash plate. It's a fiber bash plate. Now it's time to warm up the engine. We will keep this, we will start the engine for approximately around 5 minutes, and then we will drain the engine oil. If you don't have a paddock stand, if you are doing it like me, like side stand के ऊपर आप कर रहे हैं, then try to hold the bike upright for around 2-3 minutes so that the entire oil gets out from the oil sump, and hold it for around 2-3 minutes, and then 5 minutes is already over. Now I have turned off the engine. I will let it be like for 30 seconds, and then we will drain the engine oil. So to drain the engine oil, I will use this range. This is number 18. If you have this, then it's good. You need this range. So first I will drain the engine oil from compartment number 1, because RTX has 2 different compartments, and here you go. So there are few metal sheddings as you can see. Not exactly metal sheddings, something like a sludge or something like that. So we have drained from compartment number 1. Now it's time to drain it from the second compartment. Container is very tricky. Okay, the engine oil is perfectly warm. So this chamber has more engine oil, it seems, than the first one. In this one it is completely clear. We don't get any kind of sludge or something like that. So before putting it we need to wipe it with a clean tissue, and then we will put the new engine oil. Hold the bike straight. Now more engine oil is coming out. And I will recommend that please do not put engine oil flush in your absolutely brand new engine. So now that the engine oil is completely drained out, so these are the drain plugs. We need to clean it with a clean tissue, not wet tissue. Okay, so here you can see some metal sheddings or sludge kind of thing. So we need to remove it with this clean tissue. So it's time to bring the oil filter out. So finally the oil filter is out, as you can see. So this is the new oil filter, TVS, made by Mahle, and you get a new oil seal. The next step would be to change the oil seal. So here you need to remove the oil seal. So the old oil seal is green color and the new one is black. You just need to put the oil seal back on, and that's it. put some engine oil in the oil filter. So the choice of engine oil would be Castrol Power One Ultimate 10W40. The company recommends 5W40. I guess 10W40 should be fine. And that's it. Put the oil filter back on. So oil filter change is complete. Now it's time for the final step, that is putting the engine oil. So you need 1.3 liters. Okay, so ये वाला पूरा नया बोतल था, तो ये वाला पूरा जाएगा. उसके बाद we'll put 300 ml from the other bottle. Approximately 1 liter चला गया है. This is completely empty now. अब नया वाला जो बॉटल है उससे मेजर करके हम लोग 300 ml डालेंगे. सो 300 ml मेजर करने के लिए वी विल टेक दिस बिकर. यहाँ पर हम लोग मेजर करके 300 ml डालेंगे. टेन 20 ml ज़्यादा डालेंगे बिकॉज पूरा तो नहीं जाता है ना, तो 10 ml शायद लॉस हो जाता है. तो नाउ वी विल पुट दिस 300 ml. So we have put the engine oil and now it's time to check the engine oil level. For that we need to start the engine and let it run for around 60 seconds, and then we will check the engine oil level again. So we are not putting the bash plate yet because we will be just checking the leakage, if there is any leakage happening from anywhere. As of now, I guess it seems all well and good. Just I'll let it run for another 60 seconds. So the next step, in my opinion, should be wiping the entire engine and all the nut bolts with the dry tissue, so that the engine oil which is actually sticking there will not attract any dust. So if you wipe out the engine oil part from this nuts and bolts, then it will not attract any more dust. So you can see. So I'm removing all the excess engine oil from the engine oil part, and then we will put the bash plate on. So the engine oil change process has been completed successfully. Kudos to that. So I have found no oil leakage issues, and the oil level is also perfectly all right. And immediately what I have noticed that the engine sound has slightly changed, but it will be too early to say anything, because a new engine oil always has a different sound as compared to the old engine oil. Maybe it's just that. I will have to ride the motorcycle and then I will definitely share my feedback whether this 10W40 is working well for the engine or not. So wait for that. I will ride around 500 kilometers, then I will come with a definitive review. And definitely do subscribe our channel to get notified for all the latest videos, whatever is coming on our channel. And you can definitely join our Facebook group, jahan par we are creating a community to help each other. So if you're buying anything, if you're planning to buy anything, then definitely our community members can share their reviews and thoughts about your next purchase. So you can definitely do join our Facebook group. नीचे description box में आपको link मिल जाएगा. You can definitely follow me on my Instagram. We do upload exclusive content there. And next video में we will discuss why I didn't change the engine oil at my first service at the service center. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. Till then, you know what you have to do. You will always have to ride your motorcycle with your helmets on, always wear your seat belts while driving, and please do maintain speed limits, and please avoid road rage. मिलते हैं next video में. Till then, take care, stay good, Godspeed, God bless everyone, peace out, safe ride.